This is the app Ask3 that you can use to create little videos. And we might use this app in class several times just for help on homework or if you have a question you want to ask. It looks like a cool way to communicate even when we are not together, okay? So when you first download Ask3 and you launch it, it's going to take you to this screen that says log in, right? Well, you're a student and the first time you log in, you're going to need some information. First thing you need is your first and last name, okay? I'm me, right? So I guess I'm going to go with Mr. Auwerda, but you guys would use your first and last name. Okay? The PIN number. This is your very own number. I don't give it to you. Nobody else knows it. Okay, but whatever it is, make sure it is something that you can remember. Make it the last four digits of your phone number or the month and day you were born or something. Now the class code you have to get from me. My class code is 37630. Okay? Then you can push sign up and it'll create an account for you and it should keep you logged in, so this is fine. If you use this in multiple classes, then you would have to log out and log back in for each class. Okay? Now, right here is the main screen of this Ask3 app. You can come down here to class and it'll show you members of your class, right? There's me and me again. Okay? Bulletin board is where you can see things that have been posted. And so in here, I have the correction example. So if you're trying to correct work, this is a video that goes through and explains what I expect from you, right? And so we can start this and push play and it'll go through, and it's cool because it actually, keeps up with you as you write. So you can see what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Now, another cool thing is you have the ability to ask questions in this. So if I use this to post a homework problem, you could get halfway through and go, I have no idea what's going on, and you can put a little comment into it and put it on the video. And other students can see this, and I can see this, and that allows you to communicate with each other and help each other, as well as let me see what your thought process is. Okay? That's how you see what's out there. If you actually want to create something, right, you go to create. Down in the bottom left is the ability for you to take a picture. Okay, so if you're going to correct something, you need that as your background. You can touch that. This tool down here, that is just the marker for writing. This draws arrows. This draws straight lines, shapes. Okay, and change your color down here. Record, push the record button. If there's stuff on the screen and you want to get rid of it, you push the clear button. Okay, so it's a pretty straightforward app. And once you're all said and done, so let me record something real quick. Like I drew an arrow, and then I said, this arrow points up. Hooray for the arrow, right? Here's a square. Here's a circle. Whatever I want. Here is a couple lines that make up a triangle. I don't like any of that. It's gone. All right. I didn't record any of that because I didn't push the record button. If you actually want to record anything, then you have to push the record button down here. Push that button, and now drawing, writing, whatever, that's all getting captured. You can pause it, and when you're done, you push the check mark. Okay? Then you can give it a title. Title should be something I'll understand without too much difficulty, or I probably won't look at it. If you don't like what you did, you can delete the recording by pushing the trash can up there. Name it, and then when you're done, okay, you push the arrow down in the bottom right to upload it so that I can actually see it. Okay, I don't need to record that, so I am going to delete it. Okay, but that's how that app works. Pretty straightforward, easy to use.